You've seen it everywhere, you've heard about it, you probably scrolled past it 1,000 times, the viral Dubai chocolate. Only this time, we're making it into a martini. Rich and decadent, it's like dessert in a glass. And once you try it, you'll understand what all the hype is about. So come on down, grab a seat at the bar, get comfortable, and let's create magic, one pour, one stir, and one sip at a time. Welcome back to another episode of the Elixir Lounge. I'm Zach and we're at Galindo's Coffee and Elixirs here in the Woodlands, Texas. And today we're gonna be making the Dubai Chocolate Martini. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've surely heard of Dubai chocolate. And if you haven't tried it, it's very, very tasty. It's gonna have some nuttiness from the pistachio, of course some sweetness from the chocolate, but also the texture of it. It's got a toasted pastry type item that's inside of it that gives it this really nice kind of crunchy feel to it. And so we're gonna try to incorporate all of this into just one really, really delicious drink. And the way that we're gonna do that is the base is gonna be vodka. We're gonna use also a Pistachio Orgeat that Sophie asked me to make sure I gave her a shout out on this. She actually crafted this herself. So to make the drink, we're gonna start off with our vodka. We like using Prairie vodka because it's organic, it's clean. You can use pretty much any vodka that you want. Just make sure that you're using a good quality one. The Pistachio Orgeat is gonna have a nutty flavor to it, but with a really pronounced pistachio flavor that's gonna shine really nice through the chocolate and through the rest of the flavors in the cocktail. We're gonna be using a Creme de Coco. We're gonna use a clear one. And this is just gonna add some nice chocolatey notes to it. It's gonna have a little bit of kind of like the alcohol that adds to the martini, but it's gonna bring just a really nice balance with the sweetness. We're also gonna add our house-made mocha. This here is made clean. We try to use all the clean stuff that we can, so there's no chemicals, preservatives, any of that stuff, so it's really as fresh as it gets. And it's got a very, very rich cocoa mocha taste that's gonna play just super well with everything. And then lastly, we're gonna be using almond milk. Now, almond milk is gonna give it a really nice creamy type of mouthfeel to it, without it really making it too thick to where it's almost too much of a dessert type of drink. We wanna be able to enjoy this drink whether you're just having drinks out with some friends or if you do want it for dessert. And so with all of these ingredients, we've crafted a really nice cocktail. And so to make it, we're gonna start off with our vodka. It's gonna be 1.5 ounces. 3/4 ounce of the Creme de Coco. Three-quarters of an ounce of our Pistachio Orgeat. You can see the color, it's really, really green, very vibrant. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of our mocha syrup. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of our almond milk. We're gonna shake this up. Make sure you shake it really, really well because of the mocha that's like a little thicker consistency. You wanna make sure that it gets incorporated really, really well. All right, we're gonna double strain this into a Nick and Nora glass. If you can have it chilled, it's even better. And this makes a really nice contrast with the pistachio. And as you can see, we've got this garnished with some crushed pistachios. Just gives it a really, really nice look here. All right, and there we have it. The Dubai Chocolate Martini. All right, and taste it. I would say it's definitely on the sweeter side. It's not overly sweet though, like it's not syrupy, but just really nice and balanced. You can tell there's alcohol in this, but it just has a really nice flavor of the nuttiness, the pistachio, and then some of the sweetness from the mocha. And now I definitely recommend using homemade or house-made mocha if you can, because the flavor that comes through is just really bold and it's just very clean. And so this plays just really, really nice in this cocktail. So the Dubai Chocolate, enjoy. And that brings us to the end of this episode, but don't worry, we've got weekly content that we're putting out. Make sure to subscribe and share this channel with some of your cocktail loving friends. Let us know in the comments if you guys are enjoying some of the drinks, if you guys are tweaking anything. We love hearing from you guys. So until next time, thanks again for watching the Elixir Lounge.